The XRP price has had a roller coaster growth trajectory which was mostly hindered by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filing a lawsuit against Ripple. But a lot of the altcoin's performances over the months have been rather predictable, and with its history, we can get an idea of what to expect for the XRP price this month. October not looking good for XRP price. In a heat map of historical XRP price data generated by NewsBTC, we can see how the month of October has usually gone in the past. The heat map shows XRP's performance over the last 8 years and the figures for October are some of the worst historically. As shown in the image below, the month of October has historically seen more losses than gains when it comes to the XRP price. In fact, out of the last 8 years, only 2 years have seen October record a positive return for the XRP price. In the first 4 years of the altcoin's life, we can see that the month of October was characterized by losses. Then in the 5th year in 2019, XRP saw its first profitable October with a 14.84% increase. Then from there is an alternating trend recorded with 1 year being profitable and the next being filled with losses. The year 2022 was no different, seeing 3.24% losses after the previous year saw October end with 16.71% gains. So if this holds, it could be that October 2023 would end on a good note. However, as the charts show, this month is already seeing XRP prices fall, so for it to finish strong, there would have to be a massive price reversal. Otherwise, October 2023 could stick to historical performance and end in the red. October is not a good month. As shown in this report from Bitcoinist, taking an average of the XRP price performance in October over the years shows that it is not a good month for the altcoin. The chart shared in the report reveals that historically, October is the third worst month for the cryptocurrency. The only months that have seen worse performance than October are the months of February with slightly higher loss numbers. Meanwhile, June takes the crown for the month with the worst returns as the last 7 years have seen the month end with losses. On the other hand, December presents as the best month for the XRP price. This is followed by April being the second, with May and March snagging 4th and 5th place, respectively. January, November, and September are also profitable months but to a much lesser degree. The prediction also includes BTC and ETH for a similar increase. A recent claim shows that XRP's price is projected to increase by 100,000% by 2024. Comparing XRP's potential growth to BTC's historical growth, a 10x or 20x increase is more plausible for XRP. In the ever-volatile world of crypto, bold claims and price predictions have become commonplace. Amid this landscape, a recent post on X shows that XRP's price would skyrocket by an astonishing 100,000% by 2024. According to the post, which is from a conversation with ChatGPT, an AI chatbot, Ripple, XRP, along with Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, would be among the top 5 cryptocurrencies guaranteed to see a 100,000% increase by 2024. Meanwhile, a market analyst emphasized the need for realistic expectations. He pointed out that while XRP is a substantial token with a market cap of $25 billion, in general, the crypto industry is still relatively small compared to other global sectors. The analyst argued that reaching a 100,000% increase for XRP would imply an astronomical price of $10,000 per XRP, which is improbable given the current state of the crypto market. To put things in perspective, the video references Bitcoin's historical growth, from being valued at just 6 cents to reaching a market cap of $500 billion, ultimately becoming the giant it is today. Although Bitcoin's value subsequently surged to significant levels, the YouTuber emphasized that Bitcoin's circumstances were different at the time of its inception. Comparing XRP's potential, the video claims that a 10x or 20x increase is plausible. Nonetheless, the YouTuber suggested that XRP may see significant gains over the long term, possibly reaching $50 per coin in the next decade, but not the astronomical values many hope for. XRP's recent performance in the cryptocurrency market has been bearish, with the price falling below key moving averages. This decline is influenced by the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC, creating uncertainty. Market experts suggest that XRP's price decline is part of a typical market cycle where Bitcoin's dominance overshadows altcoins. At the time of writing, all of the 3 coins mentioned recorded a loss in the last 24 hours. CoinMarketCap data shows that XRP is currently trading at $0.479, representing a 1.89% drop, while BTC hovers at $26,760, close to its 24-hour low of $26,561. Ethereum's ETH also suffered a 1.79% decline, settling at $1,550. The XRP price continues to trade sideways on low time frames as the crypto market faces a spike in selling pressure. While major cryptocurrencies will likely bleed into critical support, one analyst believes there is hope for the XRP Ledger native token. As of this writing, the XRP price trades below the critical psychological level of around 50 cents and stands at 47 cents with a 2% loss in the last 24 hours. Over the previous week, XRP was one of the worst performers, recording a 9% loss. A pseudonym analyst on social media platform X recently shared a chart showing a decline in Bitcoin dominance, BTCD. This metric measures the amount of the total crypto market capitalization represented by BTC. When the Bitcoin dominance declines, the altcoin sector benefits as the metric suggests investors could move away from the number one crypto into other assets. The analyst indicated that the BTCD stands at a critical level, facing substantial resistance. In that sense, the metric could return below 50% of the total crypto market cap. The last time the BTCD stood at current levels, the XRP price rallied above two major obstacles at 60 cents and then at 70 cents. The analyst stated, $BTC.D got to the level where the $XRP lawsuit when news came out. This caused a big altcoin rally at the time and also marked the 2023 top so far for $BTC and many other coins. According to this analysis, an altcoin season might be on the horizon for the XRP price and other similar cryptocurrencies. However, the analyst believes the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, needs to decide on the spot Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, ETF. The narrative around this financial product has been gaining influence on the nascent sector, and if the SEC approves it, there will be much less uncertainty around the nascent sector. In the last 24 hours, some movement has been around the spot Bitcoin ETF applications. This movement coincides with a spike in volatility across the board and could set the stage for fresh news that will trigger the altcoin season or push the XRP price back to critical levels. On the possibility of the SEC approving the ETF, the best scenario for XRP and other token, expert Eric Balkunas said. Very pos there will be a few back and forths with SEC on these small but imp details. So I would not say approval imminent, but I would say the fact that issuers are in a back and forth WSEC on this is hugely positive immo. A meticulous analysis of the XRP/USD trading pair by renowned crypto analyst, JD, has shed light on some compelling technical patterns and indicators. With the crypto community eagerly anticipating XRP's next major move, JD offers insights that hint at two critical price thresholds before a potential rally toward $5. What's next for the XRP price? The analyst today shared the following one-week chart of XRP and explained, XRP patience and ignoring the news is key. Let's take a step back and look at a more macro view. Though short-term may look scary, even all these irrelevant news, the weekly chart still creating hidden bullish divergence on RSI/SRSI. Central to JD's analysis of the logarithmic scale chart of XRP/USD is the identification of a symmetrical triangle pattern. This pattern on a chart signifies a phase of consolidation, after which the price will either break out or break down. A breach of the lower trend line signals the onset of a fresh bearish trend, whereas a surge past the upper trend line suggests the commencement of a new bullish trend. JD highlights the significance of the $0.4797 support level within this pattern for the XRP price. The chart suggests robust support at this price level, which aligns with the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. The analyst also brings attention to the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level, which he sees as the lower end of the dip area. The chart implies that XRP could further drop significantly towards this area below 35 cents. In the event of such a short-term pullback, this lower Fibonacci level could very well delineate a critical support area. As remarked by JD in the tweet, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Stochastic RSI have both formed hidden bullish divergences. The RSI of XRP/USD in the one-week chart currently stands around 45.53, and is in neutral territory, not signaling any immediate overbought or oversold conditions. Yet, the divergence in the RSI presents a captivating narrative. JD highlights the hidden bullish divergence, where the price charts higher lows while the RSI is trending with lower lows, typically an indication of diminishing bearish momentum. This is usually seen as a bullish sign, as it suggests that the downward momentum is weakening and could well be a precursor to a bullish phase. The stochastic RSI stands at 7.66 and shows the same pattern. Overall, JD's forecast for XRP is bullish in the medium to long term. In conclusion, the convergence of these technical indicators and the unwavering support at $0.4797 shows strong bullish undercurrents for the XRP price. Still, it is conceivable that XRP might face a further short-lived drawdown before launching into a significant bullish ascent. Assuming these patterns persist, a leap to a $5 pricing, green arrow, seems plausible as per JD. Feedback from the XRP community. Delving into the commentary, JD added nuances, stating, "Scary on the daily chart, glad we knew that 12% correction was coming. The weekly chart is way different compared to daily." When queried by a user named Steven about the potential implications of Bitcoin ETF approvals and increased adoption and utility, JD responded, "Charts will still play out. May even have a wick at higher levels on higher time frames. But the body candle close on the macro view is the true value, rather than any wicks. Wicks would just be noise caused by news. Didn't all these bullish news rekt many already?" On the timing of the $5 forecast, JD candidly remarked, Nobody can predict time frame or knows when we would start getting the next impulse move up. I just placed an arrow wherever. Wait a minute. You really think we are God? Responding to a user's inquiry about XRP potentially dipping to 35 cents creating a lower low, JD clarified, it would if a body candle closes there. But possible wicks can head down there. At press time, XRP traded at $0.4821.